Other things we can do with that passage is identify the chords, identify the intervals.
Mm-hmm.
There's something that remains very constant in all of this. Can you play the octave GG in your left hand and B flat in the right hand? Right. So notice that so the only indeterminate thing is what's the note that's going to be between the G and the G? What's the note that's going to be between those two notes? Now, E flat, G, G. Only indeterminate is what are the notes that are going to fall in between. C sharps, E's, what are the notes in between? You might try actually playing these octave notes and then add in the missing note. Add in the missing notes. Add in the missing notes. Add in the missing note. Get the skeleton of this are the two octaves, the octave in the left hand and the octave in the right hand. So let's start by just playing the skeleton. Forget the middle note that's going to come in the middle of the octave. So can you play the G's in your left hand and the B flats in your right hand simultaneously? Very good. So would you do that again? And as you're doing it, watch your thumbs. You have G's and B flat. Yes. So you see that, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's going to turn into this. That's going to turn into this. And that's going to turn into this. So what is the interval that for the most part lies between the two thumbs?
A minor third.
Yeah, sometimes it's a major third, sometimes it's a minor. Third. So see if you can reconstruct those first four again. The thumbs play a third, G and B flat. The thumbs play a major third, E flat and G. Play a minor third, C sharp and E, then D and F.
Mm-hmm.
So that gives you a little more of a skeleton.